Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. It's good time to all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are doing great. And I'm also very well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Shofan in front of you. I'm a student of English Fantasy. But right now I am staying here at Mohammadpur in Dhaka. And in front of me, my elder brother, Sakib brother. So brother, may I ask you some question?
Yeah, why not? You definitely ask some question, no problem.
Okay, so first of all, what's your name?
My name is Sakib. You call me Sakib, no problem.
Sakib brother, where are you from?
I am from Tangal. Tangal is a very beautiful city. They are famous for Tangal sweet. You know?
Sakib brother, what do you do?
Basically, I'm a student. Right now, I'm a student of English Fantasy in Mohammadpur.
So, how did you learn English at English Fantasy?
Yeah, when I came here, that time sir gave me such a very good idea. Sir gave one book. That book is so fantastic. I just use this book and write everything is completed.
So maybe you 1 month completed.
Yeah, I have completed my 1 month.
So can you remember how did you learn English about English Fantasy?
Truly, it's good. I have no idea how can I say right now, because they are learning lots of things. That's why I can't able to say right now.
Okay. So do you like English Fantasy outdoor session or indoor session?
Yeah, I like both session, because both session improve your speaking English, improve your writing English, everything. I think there our Rajan sir try always give 100%.
100% give.
Yes, and we get at most 80%, and I will right now I am here.
Okay, so what's your hobby?
My hobby is watching football.
So can you speak English?
Yeah, I speak English always.
You always speak English?
Yes.
Okay.
I have completed 7 days.
So what's your future plan?
My future plan is I go to abroad. Inshallah, one day I will go abroad.
You will go abroad?
Yeah, inshallah.
Okay. Actually, what do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I try to sleep, and also when I'm free, I always try to watch some interesting video about English, because it is very good for our speaking life and also our listening. That's
so.
why
Do you like English Fantasy?
Yeah, obviously I like English Fantasy. English Fantasy is good for me. That's why I love English Fantasy.
Always support teachers, mentors, and
yes,
other teachers.
Our teacher like Rajan sir always came and talked with us. How are you? How was your improvement? And also Vishwanath sir, and also our Saifullah sir, our mentors, is very good.
Okay, so maybe English Fantasy it is good. So if you want to learn English and if you want to speak English, so then come to English Fantasy. So we are not making so longer this video. Thanks for watching this video from English Fantasy.